Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this chapter, we will explore the fundamental skills that you must acquire to create basic presentations within the PowerPoint program. You will learn to create new presentations, open previously created presentations, save presentation changes, and then close those presentations. To open a presentation, you must first know where the presentation you want to open is located. When you initially open PowerPoint, you can see a listing of recently opened presentations shown in the panel at the left side of the startup screen under the Recent section. You can open one of these listed presentations by clicking on its name within the panel to reopen it. However, if the presentation you want to open is not shown in this listing, then you can click the Open Other Presentations command within the panel to reveal the Open category within the Backstage view. If you are already working within PowerPoint and wish to open another presentation, you can also display the Open category within the Backstage view by clicking the File tab within the ribbon and then clicking the Open command at the left side of the Backstage view. At that point, you can see the locations within which you can look for the file to open displayed to the right of the command panel in the Backstage view. If the file that you wish to open is saved within your OneDrive storage account, then click on the OneDrive choice. If the file you want to open is located on your computer, then click the This PC command called Computer in PowerPoint 2013. You will then see any recently accessed folders within your selected place listed on the right-hand side of the screen. You can click one of these folders to open that location within the Open dialog box. If there are no folders listed within these sections, or if the folder you want to open is not listed, then click the Browse button to launch the Open dialog box where you can then select the folder to view. In the Open dialog box that appears, navigate to the folder location that you want to view. Within the selected folder, you should see an icon for the file that you want to open. To open a file from the selected location, click the icon for the file and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could simply double-click on the icon of the file shown within the Open dialog box to open the file. You can also use this dialog box to simultaneously open multiple presentations within the same folder. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click on each of the files that you want to open if they are non-adjacent files, meaning not next to each other, within the selected folder. If the files are adjacent to one another, meaning they are next to each other, then you can simply click on the first file, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click on the last file in the list that you want to select. Everything between the two files will be selected. Once you have selected your files to open, you can then release any keyboard keys that you are holding down, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. This will open all of the highlighted or selected presentations. Also notice that if you are simply trying to open a recently accessed presentation, you can select the Recent command within the Open category of the Backstage view. Then click on the name of any recently opened files that appear in the list to the right of the command panel to reopen them. This replicates the Recent category shown in the startup screen in PowerPoint. When you open a presentation on which you were previously working, PowerPoint remembers the last slide you were viewing within that presentation. A handy tag will be displayed at the right side of the presentation window that you can click to quickly return to the last slide viewed within the presentation. This can save you having to find the previous slide at which you are working within a presentation so you can continue editing or creating the content. Note that you do need to click the tag immediately upon opening the presentation, as it will disappear if you begin to manually scroll through the presentation content.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.